Mesothelioma and Asbestos Law Firm. A mesothelioma law firm will best serve mesothelioma patients and their loved ones because these law firms specialize in asbestos law and mesothelioma cases. Law firm can get compensations for patient and loved one by filing a mesothelioma lawsuit. Asbestos trust fund claims and other benefit claims. What is a mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firm focus on asbestos litigation. They specialized in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, and trust fund claims for patients and families facing mesothelioma. Hiring an experienced asbestos law firm is your family's best step toward securing mesothelioma compensations. These specialized firms tend to focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in the area of law. Asbestos databases, these firms have developed extensive rescues to help build your case, including asbestos products database and historical case records. Complex state law, asbestos litigation law, and are challenging to understand and vary by state, making a nationwide firm the best way to secure compensation. Top Mesothelioma Law Firm. The top mesothelioma law firm offer a network for experienced attorney and winning track record. Attorney at top asbestos law firm are accessible, compassionate, and sensitive to what you or your family are going through. They will investigate your asbestos exposure and manage every aspects of your case, allowing you to focus on what matter most, treatment and your health. $200 million recovered, served clients nationwide, rated in the top 10 asbestos and mesothelioma trial lawyer. New form law. It is important that to feel comfortable with the mesothelioma law firm you choose. They offer free consultation so you can learn about their attorney and what makes their firm unique. The top firm have a strong record of success securing mesothelioma compensation. This kind of compensation helps families offer medical treatment, deal with lost wages, and handle other expenses such as in home nursing care. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.